This tutorial was highly requested. Today I'm sharing how I did butterfly locks on myself. To begin prepping each section, I used distilled water, leave-in conditioner by EBIN, and a homemade flaxseed gel. Let me know if you want the recipe in the comments. Then I took my lock-in pomade by EBIN and slicked that into each of my small sections. This is a protective style, so it's priority for me to make sure that my hair is well moisturized. Then you want to begin your braid. It's up to you if you want to braid the hair all the way down or not. I decided to leave it halfway to save me some time. Then I sealed the braid with Jamaican black castor oil and just repeat the process. Now, parting the hair into these sections is really what took the most time. So if you have someone to help you make the parts, that's great. If not, you could always use a tri-fold mirror. Again, everything you need to know is in the description down below. Ooh, that rhymed. I had a total of 42 braids, and I'll show you guys in a second how much hair I used. Next, I'm going to show you how to attach the lock to your hair. There are so many different ways to install locks. I'm just going to show you how I did mine. Take your hair and insert the hook towards the base of your braid, maybe 2 braids down. While the latch is open, grab your lock, hook it on, and close it up. Now pull that lock through the braid like this, not all the way. Once it's through, open the latch, put your braid inside, close it up, and pull it all the way through. Don't worry, I show this a bunch of times and you can always slow this video down, but you're pretty much repeating the same movement twice. Again, insert at the base and hook the lock onto the crochet needle. Pull that lock through the braid just a couple of inches. While the lock is still on the hook, grab your braid, put it in the latch, close it, and pull it all the way through. Now, if you're struggling like me to pull your braid through because it's a little thick, you can always open up the hole of the lock to make space for the braid to travel. I just didn't do this on camera for some reason, so yeah, that's how you do that. Oh, and this is the hair that I used. Freetress braid, butterfly lock, 24 inches, color number 4. Each pack of hair comes with 16 locks, so I only needed 2.5 packs in total, and it cost $12.99 per pack, so I didn't spend more than $40. Once you get the technique down, attaching the locks to the braids doesn't take much time at all. Okay, now we gotta wrap this thing up. The hair I'm using to wrap the locks is from Sensational. It's called LuluTress's Afro Twists in 16 inches, the color number 4. 30 pieces of hair come inside. Again, I have 42 braids, so I only used 1 pack and some change. It also costs $8, $7.99 per pack, so I only spent around 16 bucks. Once you get to the ends, you want to seal the hair so it doesn't unravel. Now, you got options. You can use nail glue, hair glue, whatever kind of glue you want to secure it. I used nail polish because that's what I had, and it worked like a charm. It didn't leave any smell behind. It wasn't hard or crunchy, but obviously you don't want to use a lot of this, and you don't want to put it anywhere near your real hair. I grab a piece of the wrapping hair that's a little bit longer than my own, and I place it at the root, get it as close as I can, and then just wrap it all the way around and cover my real hair that's underneath. That's pretty much it. And just secure the ends, twist it together, make sure it stays put. Looking back, I kind of wish I got shorter wrapping hair because you really only need enough to cover your real hair at least 2 times, maybe 3. And there you have it. I really love the way these locks came out. They're so flexible, they're lightweight, even at 24 inches, and this color looks really good in the light. This is number 4. Now that my hair is in a protective style, time to focus on my scalp. This setting mousse, you guys, okay, so EBIN is one of my favorite companies, especially because of their hairline. This is a menthol setting mousse, and it feels so good, guys. You have no idea. It's anti-frizz and it's alcohol free, so it's a yes, yes, yes all around. Next, I used EBIN's Will and Gain Hair Tonic on my scalp. This is infused with rosemary oil, vitamin E oil, and ylang-ylang oil. Now, if you haven't used hair tonic before, it's similar to the texture of water. So it absorbs really quickly and it promotes elasticity and it's super hydrating. So I love it. If you guys decide to shop on EBIN's website, make sure to use my code DEANDRA10 for 10% off your total purchase. Now to these edges, you know I couldn't forget about those. What I do actually is take a spoolie and just brush out my adult hairs. And this edge control, guys, from EBIN, again, listen, one is sold every 3 seconds for a reason. You need to try this edge control. So what I do is begin to mold the product onto the roots of the hair with a brush and then lay down the ends of the hair with the spoolie. It's kind of hard to explain, but you're just molding and using your finger to follow behind the brush to keep it in place. It's just a big old finesse, child. I can never get the same edges twice. And this edge control isn't flaky, no residue, it's clear, it smells bomb. The type of control that I get with it is just so unique compared to any of the other edge controls I've tried. Once my hair is generally molded the way I want, I put on a scarf for 5 minutes, take it off, then brush through my hair to soften it just a bit. To add to my finishing touches, I love this formula from EBIN. It's the Edge Gel. Their products are so bomb and they're affordable. You gotta go check out their website. Everything is in the description down below. My scalp feels good, I feel cute, so life is good. I am one happy girl. I also have a video coming out to show how I maintain my locks so they look good in a couple of weeks from now, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, you can follow me on all of my socials on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. I appreciate everyone for watching my videos and supporting my channel. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.